let's talk about a new driver scam to look out for. Real problem.
Yeah.
All right. So I mean, I read through this, but I'm not sure oh, whoops. Hold on. All right. There we go. So I read through this, but I wasn't sure the setup or the story. So if you want to get into
the story is that this has happened before, but the next level. Every time I get emails or I see it on Twitter, newer kind of scams, right? We put it out because a lot of people get taken by these, Chris. I mean, seriously, like they empty their bank account and then they email me saying, "Oh, Sergio, I got scammed." I'm like, well, we talked about this a million times already. Don't answer the phone. Don't talk to anybody, especially if a ride is ordered and canceled and you get a phone call or a text. It is not Uber. It is not Lyft. You're about to get scammed. In this case, it was done through the lost and found part, right? They said, "Oh, I left my phone." And the driver said, "Nope, I don't see a phone," right? And, they're going through the lost and found part of, so what they're doing is they're ordering a trip, okay? They're canceling it, or they're taking the trip. And then once the trip is done, they're calling you saying, "I left something." And then now it says on the bottom, and look at the font, by the way, Chris, look at the font of that. So you guys need to pay attention to a lot of things when you're driving, okay? On the last two bubbles, Chris, look at that font, okay? It says, "Please send your phone number."
All of it.
Yeah, all of it,
Like
right?
even the very first, it says the passenger. If you look at the P and the P on the phone and the please, it's different every single time.
Yeah.
Like
so
you got the P's
attention.
over there. That's one's font. Then down on the other thing where it says P, please send your phone number. That's completely different. Yeah.
Yeah. So pay attention to what, again, you're busy, you're giving rides, doing this. Uber and Lyft will never text you or call you. Do not fall for this.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what else to say other than, people do fall for it. And sometimes it will come in this is about through the lost and found. Sometimes it'll come up as you're going to pick up a VIP, we just canceled the trip. You're doing such a wonderful job. We're going to give you 500 extra bucks, blah, blah, like all these things we talked about in the past. Do not talk to anyone. Do not give your email. Do not give they have your phone number because they're calling through the app. Do not give him your bank account. Do not give him your login. Do not. Even if you think it's Uber, don't let him call you back again. Don't do it. They're going to clean your bank account up. Just don't do it.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
All right. Before we move on, anything last on the scams and what to watch out for? This is a different one because it's through the lost and found support aspect of things, but there's other things where you get a ride request that comes in and then they'll text you and say, "Oh, this is Uber VIP support. We need to verify for this particular rider," or Lyft VIP support, same kind of thing, where they're basically trying to say like, "Oh, this is not a real generated ride. We need to give you a bonus. We needed to verify some information," whatever it might be. If Uber or Lyft need to verify anything, it will be through the app. They will also send you an email and also send you a text. So they will give you 3 points of contact all at the same time. So it's, again, a text will come into your phone. An email would be emailed to your email address that is you've designated for your account. And also there will be an in-app message that is through the messages on Uber and Lyft's platform. So yeah, don't fall for that when it comes to these fake type things, especially with so many new drivers that are on the road right now.
Yeah, 100%. So don't answer the phone. That's to start there. If they call you, even if it says Uber or whatever, as you guys know, don't just ignore it. It's okay. If they want to get in touch with you, they'll find a way to get in touch with you.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.